sabay-sabay. Gusto ko yung sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Alright, yung may kasama ng palakpak. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, say happy birthday, Clark! Go! Happy birthday, Clark! Mas malakas! Happy birthday, Clark! Malakas! Happy birthday, Clark! And then say Clark, kaya pwede mo nang i-blow yung candle.
Black blow.
1, 2, 3. Blow! Ayun na, pwede natin. Nice. Sige. Palakpan na ulit natin si Clark.
Isa pa!
Isa pa. Ayan, sige.
Ayula, hindi ka.
Ayula, yan.
Ulit. Rewind.
Ito lang yung practice.
Ipan ha? Ipan. Alright, look. Dali po.
Alright. 1,
Binuraan mo.
3, go! Yes! Ayun. Palakpan nyo naman. And then, makikita na tayo.
I love it.
Alright, siyempre, kailangan nito ha.